Oh, and here's a perfect one, baby. This is gonna be a tank. Holy Christ. This might be a tank. Oh, next one. Nice gill. Yeah, buddy. Down a little bit. That's sweet. Hey guys, Corey from Mixing Up Outdoors. We're up, where are we? Northern Wisconsin. Northern Wisconsin on a small lake. You have to walk into it. We're getting some gill action here, so stick with us and we'll see what we can get. And that's all there is to it. Yeah.
I missed him too, Eric. I was yelling at myself.
This one came up real high.
Yeah, right at the bottom right now.
Yeah.
Ooh, this might be a nice one. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice fish. Oh, darn it. Oh, that was a nice one. God, I missed one more fish. God darn it.
Did I get him? Yeah, I got him. Ooh, this is, whatever this is, feels decent. Nice fatty.
Boy, you just got a mess of them going, huh?
Yeah. Dude, it would be sick if I could keep this bobber from icing up. Actually, to the point where I think about taking it right off. Pull that sucker up. That's a tank. Nice. Holy shit, buddy. That fucker's huge. That's awesome. That's a... Oh, come on. Oh, it's a little crappie anyway.
We're gonna keep you, buddy.
Oh, man.
What we're doing here is fishing transition areas. We had to move around a lot to locate the fish, and we found that throughout the day they were actually going deeper. So we kept on just, 2 feet here, 2 feet there. Just those little depth changes were making all the difference in the world.
Nice gill.
What's going on here is it was very cold out this morning, and the water, when I'd reel up my rod, it was freezing so fast up in the spring bobber. So I lost a lot of fish of this until I learned to go to a bigger head spring, but lesson learned.
No, that little one is not. got it right by him.
Nice gill.
Like this right after this thing might be done.
You're small, fella. Come here.
Yeah. That and my reel's all iced up. Ooh, this is a big one. Either that or it's just so much ice. Nice gill. Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Nice one, Poos, or small?
I was just gonna say it's probably a largemouth. Man, my reel is just frozen, unbelievable. Another nice little gill. I'm in 26 feet of water here. I got fish all the way up to 16 feet. Oh shoot. That's the problem here. I froze up, I think. I'm froze up and I got a monster on, it feels like. Holy balls. Hand line him. Nice gill. He felt like a tank. Anything going on or what?
There's fish down there.
Catch one.
Try it.
Nice gill. little guy. Oh, look at that. Ooh, we might have a tank on here. Where are you? Oh, there's Gill.